Hey, what one? There are so many apps you can use to produce music on your iOS device, but I made a collection of just four of them, and are very reliable and amazing. To know the four of the apps I made the collection, make sure you watch this video to the end. If you are new on my channel, kindly hit on the red subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop new videos like this. I'm KLEIN, aka Superstar Boy. You are welcome on to my channel. If you're interested in the video, let's get into the video right away. Okay, you're welcome back. There are four apps I recommend on your iOS music production. The first one goes to GarageBand. I know GarageBand is a very popular app, very popular one. Everyone must have heard about, even though you have not used it, you could have heard about it. It's a very amazing. It's a very amazing app for you to use and user friendly. You can check them out. I'll drop the link to the app in the description. And the second one goes to FL Studio. FL Studio is a very wonderful music production app. Even their DAW is a very wonderful one. FL Studio is a standard, professional standard music production app for your iOS. Check them out also. And the third one I'll mention is Bloxwave. Check Bloxwave out. I'll drop the link in the description. And last but not the least, I'll mention right away is Groovebox. Groovebox is another amazing app for your music production. Actually, I'm not saying all these apps are the best, but those are the four I recommended to you. You can also make research yourself for the ones you are compatible with, or the one you are interested in using. I'm not trying to tell you these four are the best apps. I just made a collection of the four. I made research about them. They are very good ones. Just to prevent making this video long, so I have to make this video short and just mention the four to you, and you can just check them out on your own. Make your own research to check if they are good apps. Thanks for watching that amazing video. Kindly drop a like this video to support us. It makes the YouTube algorithm go ahead for us, and it's a support for both of us. We both gain. Kindly like our video. Make sure you like it. Hit on the red subscribe button if you haven't, and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and make sure you check out my other videos. I'm KIDAAX Superstar Boy. You can follow me on my Instagram at KIDAAX_the_great_, and on my Twitter and as KIDAAX_KLEIN. You can also check my music out on all major platforms, Spotify especially. Peace out until we meet in the next video.